Hi everyone, my name's George, welcome to Swagger and Swoon. I just wanted to do a little video today to answer one of the questions we get asked quite a lot, and that is, do we go for a bow tie, a tie, a cravat, what's best? In this day and age, there aren't that many rules anymore. It's a lot sort of easier to just go with what you want. The biggest thing really is personal preference, so it is mainly up to you, but I thought I'd just show you a few of the different options. So sort of the standard, I suppose, traditional thought of as a wedding um, tie that we have, that is quite a safe option. They do tend to go with a lot of outfits. This is our rose gold colour here, which also goes with so many different colours. It's a really nice dusty pink. But that's kind of your safest option, I suppose. Yeah, like I say, it goes with all different cuts of suits. We have many different options for different sizes, heights, whatever you might be going for. Um, the next option that I suppose is sort of a traditional wedding style would be this one here. So this is a cravat, and this is our men's pre-tied one. These tend to work best if you're wearing a waistcoat because they tuck in at the bottom here. And they also give a much fuller look than a tie might give you. So that is an option there, which a lot of people do go for. We have got self-tie versions as well if you fancy doing it yourself, or this one here to stop it sort of coming loose during the ceremony is handy pre-tied, and it's got a little clip on there with an adjustable strap and everything. So that is something that quite a lot of the traditionalists will go for. And then the last option, I suppose, is your bow ties. So again, this is a pre-tied one. We have got the self-tie version. If you fancy doing it yourself, it's always a nice thing to do on your wedding day. This one again comes on a handy adjustable neck strap there. The bow ties, if you're not really into the tie, then is a great option. We do this for a range of ages as well, all the way from adults right down to sort of the under fives. So there'll be one for everyone. Same as the cravats, ties. We've got boys ones. We've got different sizes. So have a quick look through. Obviously, if you're not sure, just give us a shout. We can always help with some ideas, some sizing, some tips, anything like that.